Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where we track real classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. From budget Harley projects to rebuild British twins and dialed-in German airheads, today's lineup covers serious range in today's U.S. market. Let's get started. Number 1. 1986 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH 883, $1,500, Maryville, Tennessee. The 1986 Harley-Davidson Sportster XLH 883 represents the early Evolution-era Sportster platform, known for improved reliability over the Ironhead generation. This blue example in Maryville, Tennessee shows 38,000 miles and comes with a clean Tennessee title. It is a chain drive model and currently needs a starter and clutch pack to run and ride, making it a clear project opportunity. The seller notes some new parts have already been installed and is not interested in trades. At just $1,500, this XLH 883 sits firmly in entry-level project territory, a potentially affordable path into classic Harley ownership for buyers willing to complete the mechanical work. Number 2. 1974 Honda CB360, $3,000, Parrish, Florida. The 1974 Honda CB360 remains one of Honda's smooth-running mid-70s parallel twins, offering lightweight handling and approachable power. This Parrish, Florida example shows 16,323 miles, though the odometer stopped working at 16,000. The seller describes it as running and riding amazing, with no oil leaks. It features both kick and electric start, and recent service within the last month includes cleaned carburetors, a new AGM battery, and a fresh oil change. It may need new air filters, an inexpensive fix. A clean Michigan title is included, along with rear tail lights and a second mirror. At $3,000, this CB360 presents a clean, ready-to-ride Japanese classic in today's U.S. market. Number 3. 1969 Triumph Bonneville T120, $8,000, Gastonia, North Carolina. The 1969 Triumph Bonneville T120 stands as one of the most iconic British twins ever sold in America. Finished in Burgundy and located in Gastonia, North Carolina, this example shows 64,741 miles and is described as all original. It reportedly starts on the first or second kick, always an encouraging sign with vintage British machinery. The bike and engine were rebuilt by a previous owner, and a digital ignition is included with the sale. At $8,000 or best offer, this T120 sits in collector-grade territory, reflecting the strong and steady demand for late 60s Bonneville models in the U.S. classic motorcycle market. Number 4. 1975 Yamaha XS650, $3,500, Murchison, Texas. The 1975 Yamaha XS650 has long been respected as one of the most customizable and durable Japanese parallel twins of the 1970s. This white pearl example in Murchison, Texas, features a rebuilt engine upgraded with a 680cc kit, new Mikuni carburetors, and Boyer electronic ignition. It retains both electric and kickstart capability and rides on vintage-style tires for a classic look. With fresh paint and a title in hand, this XS650 blends performance upgrades with retro aesthetics. At $3,500, it offers a modified but well-equipped platform for riders seeking a stronger-than-stock vintage Yamaha in the American market. Number 5. 1977 BMW R75/7, $4,000, Roebuck, South Carolina. The 1977 BMW R75/7 continues the legacy of BMW's Airhead Boxer twins, known for long-distance reliability and mechanical simplicity. This blue Roebuck, South Carolina example shows 72,981 miles and has undergone extensive mechanical refresh work. Highlights include a rebuilt gearbox, new clutch, new rear main seal, new brake master cylinder and brake line, rebuilt caliper, new brown side stand, a fresh air filter, new petcocks, and a cleaned and lined fuel tank. It also features Michelin tires, progressive shocks, new mufflers, color-matched saddlebags, a BMW toolkit, and even a battery charger. Cosmetic imperfections are noted, consistent with its nearly 50-year age. At $4,000, this well-sorted R75/7 stands out as a road-ready German classic with substantial recent investment in today's U.S. vintage market. Number 6. 1974 Kawasaki KD, $1,400, Lexington, Kentucky. This 1974 Kawasaki Heavy Industries KD represents one of the most affordable vintage Japanese two-strokes currently on the U.S. market. Finished in blue and offered with a title in hand, the seller states the bike runs and shifts well, making it a strong candidate for immediate light riding or continued improvement. The inclusion of both electric start and kickstart adds practical versatility, especially for a mid-1970s small displacement machine. Lightweight trail bikes from this era are steadily gaining popularity among collectors who value simplicity, easy maintenance, and nostalgic styling. At just $1,400, this Lexington listing stands out as a low-risk entry into classic motorcycle ownership. Number 7. 1973 Norton Commando, $7,500, Lake Linden, Michigan. The 1973 Norton Motorcycles Commando remains one of the most desirable British performance twins of the classic era. This yellow example shows approximately 15,000 miles on the speedometer and is described as starting and running well. The seller has installed practical upgrades including a Mikuni carburetor, tri-spark ignition, upgraded charging system, Corbin seat, new exhaust, new chain, and new tires, all improvements aimed at reliability and ride quality. Importantly, every original part has been retained, including a brand new stock seat and grab rail, along with Whitworth tools and specialty service items. With documented history dating back to its original 1973 plate, this Michigan Commando offers a compelling mix of authenticity and usability at $7,500. Number 8. 1972 Suzuki T350, $2,500, Smyrna, Tennessee. Manufactured between 1969 and 1972, the 1972 Suzuki T350 is a lively two-stroke twin known for its responsive power delivery and lightweight feel. This example is largely original aside from a two-tone Harley-Davidson black and black cherry repaint and is legally registered and insured in the seller's name, though it carries a 1973 title designation. The bike starts and runs briefly but will require carburetor work, a common need for vintage two-strokes that have seen storage time. Its distinctive left-side kickstart adds character and originality that enthusiasts appreciate. At $2,500, this Tennessee listing offers solid restoration potential in the increasingly collectible two-stroke segment. Number 9. 1972 Moto Guzzi 850 Eldorado, $4,500, Cleveland, Ohio. The 1972 Moto Guzzi 850 Eldorado is one of the most iconic Italian V-twin touring motorcycles ever sold in the United States. Showing just 13,300 miles, this brown example is described as being in very nice cosmetic and running condition. Known for its longitudinal V-twin layout, shaft drive, and strong torque delivery, the Eldorado earned a reputation for durability and was widely used in police service during the 1970s. Today, clean examples are becoming harder to find at reasonable prices. At $4,500 or best offer, this Cleveland listing presents strong value for collectors seeking classic European character with proven mechanical longevity. Number 10. 1961 Vespa 150cc scooter, $3,750, Dowagiac, Michigan. This 1961 Vespa 150cc scooter captures the timeless charm of early 1960s Italian design. Presented in green and described as being in mint-like cosmetic condition, it stands out visually as a classic urban runabout. Although it has not been started in 2 years and currently lacks a key, the seller notes it previously ran well before storage. Early Vespa models continue to enjoy strong collector demand in the United States due to their iconic styling and cultural significance. Priced at $3,750 firm, this Michigan example offers stylish restoration potential and long-term collectible appeal. Number 11. 1970 BSA Royal Star 500, $3,500, Kankakee, Illinois. The 1970 BSA Royal Star 500 represents the closing years of traditional British twin production before major industry transitions reshaped the market. This example is largely original, retaining even its factory tires, and comes with an original 1971 dated title and owner's manual, important documentation for collectors. Though it has not been ridden in over 40 years, the engine, transmission, and brakes are reported to be free, suggesting promising restoration potential. Aside from 2 small dents on the fuel tank and decades of accumulated dust, it appears complete and unmodified. At $3,500, this Illinois Royal Star offers authentic survivor appeal and an opportunity to preserve a true piece of British motorcycling history. Number 12. 1977 Kawasaki Heavy Industries KE, $1,200, Belfry, Kentucky. This 1977 Kawasaki Heavy Industries KE is another affordable vintage Japanese dual sport option currently listed in Kentucky. Finished in blue and offered with a clear title, the seller states the bike runs great and features a simple kickstart-only setup with no battery required. It comes with brand new tires and reportedly has no mechanical issues, though it does need replacement bulbs for the headlight and tail light. Lightweight enduro-style motorcycles from the late 1970s are gaining renewed interest thanks to their reliability and easy maintenance. At just $1,200, this KE represents a budget-friendly entry into classic trail bike ownership with minimal upfront investment. Number 13. 1982 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FLH, $7,500, Lutz, Florida. This 1982 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FLH Electra Glide is a matching numbers touring classic finished in red and presented in super clean condition. The bike starts easily, runs strong, and shifts properly, with all electrical systems functioning as intended. It features a rebuilt S&S carburetor with ham can air cleaner, fresh service including a full oil tank flush, new oil lines with factory clamps, new battery, spark plugs, and plug wires. Tires and brakes are described as near new. It retains its original stamped solo seat with T-bar and includes saddlebags with guardrails and a batwing fairing. As the final era of the shovelhead platform, clean FLH models like this Florida example at $7,500 continue to hold strong collector and rider appeal. Number 14. 1968 Triumph Tiger, $3,900, Jacksonville, Florida. The 1968 Triumph Motorcycles Tiger represents classic British parallel twin performance during the height of the 1960s motorcycle boom. This black example shows 14,000 miles and is described as being in excellent condition with a fully restored engine using new original components. The seller states the bike runs perfectly, starts easily, and has brand new tires installed, making it ready for immediate riding. With a clean title and strong mechanical presentation, this Jacksonville listing offers vintage British style and usability at $3,900, a competitive price point in today's classic Triumph market. Number 15. 1982 Kawasaki KZ550 LTD, $1,200, Nancy, Kentucky. This 1982 Kawasaki Heavy Industries KZ550 LTD is a budget-friendly 1980s UJM cruiser finished in white and listed at just $1,200. The seller reports daily riding throughout the summer, indicating solid running condition during the season, though carburetor cleaning is now needed due to end-of-summer fuel issues. The KZ550 platform is known for reliability, smooth inline-4 performance, and easy parts availability across the United States. For buyers looking for an affordable vintage street bike with strong usability potential, this Kentucky listing offers a low-cost entry point with manageable mechanical needs. Those are 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States right now. Subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for more rare and affordable classic motorcycle finds every day.